First, I will start with the coffee powder. So I am using Nescafe instant coffee powder, and I have taken 2 tablespoons of this powder. After putting the coffee powder, you need some sugar. And in this case, I have used 3 tablespoons of sugar because I have used 2 tablespoons of coffee. And then I am putting some hot water. And this part is optional. Like if you want to put chocolate, then it is up to you. I have used 3 cubes of dairy milk. And then with the help of this blending whisker, you can whisk the mixture. If you want to use the hand whisker, then it is all up to you. You have to whisk till the consistency will be like this and the color turns out to be light brown. You will have some creamy consistency. So after 2 minutes of whisking, you will get this consistency and this perfect color.